अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर एस्पायरेंट्स, कैसे हैं? ठीक हैं आप? आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे CSS 2023 करंट अफेयर्स क्वेश्चंस। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, डिस्कस हिस्टोरिक पाकिस्तान एंड तुर्की bilateral relations beyond the areas of socio-economic and strategic realms. Explain its geopolitical ripple effects in the Himalayas, the Arabian Peninsula and the South Caucasus. So next will be Pakistan and Turkey have a long-standing relationship that goes beyond just socio-economic and strategic realms. The two countries have a strong cultural and historical bond, as both are predominantly Muslim nations with the shared legacy of the Ottoman Empire. In the Himalayas, the relationship between Pakistan and Turkey has had a geopolitical ripple effect. Pakistan is strategically located at the crossroads of the Central Asia, South Asia, and the Middle East, and its close relationship with Turkey has allowed it to play a significant role in the regional affairs. For example, Pakistan has used its relationship with Turkey to promote peace and stability in the region, particularly in Afghanistan and Himalayas. Next, in the Arabian Peninsula, if we talk, the close relationship between Pakistan and Turkey has also had a geopolitical impact. The two countries have cooperated in a number of initiatives aimed at promoting peace and stability in the Middle East, such as supporting diplomatic efforts to resolve the conflict in Syria. Additionally, the close relationship between Pakistan and Turkey has allowed both countries to play a role in shaping the future of the region, particularly in the aftermath of the Arab Spring in the Middle East. Now we are going towards the South Caucasus. The relationship between Pakistan and Turkey has had a significant impact on regional politics. The two countries have cooperated in a number of initiatives aimed at promoting peace and stability in the region, such as supporting diplomatic efforts to resolve the conflict in Nagorno-Karabakh, a conflict between Armenia and Azerbaijan. Additionally, the close relationship between Pakistan and Turkey has allowed both countries to play a role in shaping the future of the region, particularly in the aftermath of the Georgian-Russia conflict in 2008. In conclusion, the relationship between Pakistan and Turkey goes beyond just socio-economic and strategic realms. The two countries have a strong cultural and historical bond, and their close relationship has had a significant impact on regional politics in the Himalayas, the Arabian Peninsula, and the South Caucasus. Thank you. अल्लाह हाफिज़, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।